The Earth's core is a scorching iron ball surrounded by an ocean of boiling hot liquid metal deep beneath the surface. It has enough heat to make more than 1 trillion cups of coffee per hour and is as warm as the sun's surface. That's more than 100 cups of coffee for each person on the planet. But what would happen if the smoldering core suddenly warmed up? Could a planet with a frozen core still exist? Or, on the other hand, would we merely become another lifeless rock circling the sun? If the Earth's core cooled, the following would occur. The Earth's inner core has been cooling by about 100 degrees Celsius, 180 degrees Fahrenheit, every billion years since its formation. However, the temperature remains unbearably high, hovering around 6,000 degrees Celsius, 10,800 degrees Fahrenheit. Naturally, no one has ever been to the Earth's center. One of the reasons not to get any closer to it is the unbearable heat. We might be able to visit our planet and verify that all of our hypotheses about it were correct if it cooled down a little. However, would we even be alive if the Earth's core became cold? Life on Earth is made possible by a lot of things. One of them is the geomagnetic field we have. We are shielded from all forms of space radiation, including highly charged particles, which the sun constantly emits. They are deflected around the planet by the magnetic field, which serves as a shield. That way, our atmosphere, which is also necessary for life on Earth, can't be destroyed by solar winds. And what's more, the core of the Earth creates this magnetic field. Electric currents are produced as the planet spins because the inner solid core and the outer liquid core move at different speeds. Our geomagnetic field is generated by those currents. There would be no currents if the Earth's core cooled. The Earth's magnetic field would disappear. Be prepared for a wide range of negative outcomes if that occurs. Since there would be no atmosphere if there were no magnetic field, the Earth would begin to resemble Mars. Since you wouldn't even be able to breathe without a pressure suit and an oxygen mask, no breathing exercise could help you relax. The Earth's temperature would continue to drop as a result of the frozen core no longer heating rocks, water, gas, and other geological materials. Then again, volcanoes would never again be regurgitating magma, mainlands would quit floating away from one another, and seismic tremors would totally vanish. On that planet, no one could survive for too long. However, it would be a good representation of Mars life. Who knows, perhaps we'd have sufficient opportunity to pack our stuff, bounce on a spaceship and get off this planet before it turned out to be totally dead. However, you should try to persuade anyone with a lot of curiosity not to stay on Earth in order to finally drill a hole into the core. Despite the fact that the core would have lost all of its heat, the pressure there would still be 3.5 million times higher than on the surface of the Earth. Anyone brave enough to venture there would be squeezed into the core and literally become one with the Earth. It would appear that the planet's core would benefit from remaining as scorchingly hot as it is. Also, perhaps boring through the Earth isn't the smartest thought either.